You're in your garage, and sitting on the shelf is a product almost everyone owns, but almost no one truly knows how to use. A little blue can that can save you hundreds, sometimes thousands, but only if you know the right way to use it and the wrong way to avoid turning a $10 shortcut into a nightmare repair. Today, you're going to learn the real WD-40 tricks that mechanics use when no one's watching. The ones that fix problems fast, prevent silent damage, and keep your car running smoother, cleaner, and stronger than most people ever experience. And yes, I'll also show you the places you should never spray it, because a single mistake can cost you big. Let's start with the one thing that fails at the worst possible moment: your ignition. Number 19, bring a dead ignition back to life. You turn the key and all you get is coughing. No spark, no power. That sinking feeling hits your stomach. But before you blame the battery, check this. After rain, car washes, or even high humidity, moisture slips into ignition coils and plug boots and scatters electricity in every direction except the one your engine needs. A little blue can that can save you hundreds, sometimes thousands, but only if you know the right way to use it and the wrong way to avoid turning a $10 shortcut into a nightmare repair. Today, you're going to learn the real WD-40 tricks that mechanics use when no one's watching, the ones that fix problems fast, prevent silent damage, and keep your car running smoother, cleaner, and stronger than most people ever experience. And yes, I'll also show you the places you should never spray it, because a single mistake can cost you big. Let's start with the one thing that fails at the worst possible moment: your ignition. Number 18, free frozen locks without breaking anything. You're late. It's freezing. You pull the handle, nothing. Worse, one wrong yank can snap the mechanism. Skip the hot water. You'll regret that instantly. Instead, spray into the keyhole or latch, let it melt the ice inside, and retry. Smooth as new. Wipe the extra, hit it with silicone spray afterwards, and that lock won't freeze shut again. And while cold can jam a lock, rust can weld the bolt solid. Number 17, break free rusted bolts without destroying threads. Every DIY repair has that one bolt that refuses to move. You force it, and suddenly you're one slip away from snapping metal. Don't fight it. Spray the threads, let it soak deep for 10 minutes, then tap the bolt gently to vibrate the formula through the rust. Try again, and this time it turns like it was never stuck. Works beautifully on spark plugs too, saving you from stripped threads and expensive head repairs. Now that you've fought rust, let's stop it before it even starts. Number 16, protect exposed metal before rust spreads. Rust doesn't wait. One rainy week or one salty road trip and bare metal starts eating itself alive. A light protective mist on hinges, wheel wells, suspension arms, even tools creates a barrier that blocks moisture and oxygen. Reapply every few months. It's one of the easiest habits that adds years to your car. But rust isn't the only silent threat. Electrical corrosion is worse. Number 15, stop electrical corrosion before warning lights appear. A single corroded connector can trigger random codes, dim lights, or rough running. Before you reconnect anything, headlights, sensors, coils, give it a short spray. It displaces hidden moisture and blocks corrosion. Finish with dielectric grease for long-term protection. It's like giving your electrical system armor. Alright, from small fixes to something instantly visible. Number 14, bring cloudy headlights back to life temporarily. Your headlights look dull and tired, not dirt, but oxidation. If you need a fast fix before a trip or inspection, wash the lens, dry it, spray a mist of WD-40, wipe it in. Clarity returns instantly. It's temporary, but it beats driving blind. Now let's get into something most people ruin their paint trying to remove. Number 13, remove sap, tar, and baked-on grime without scratching paint. Tree sap, road tar, mystery goo. Scrubbing scratches the paint. Blades cut the clear coat. A simple spray softens the residue so it wipes off clean. Rinse afterwards and your paint looks untouched. And since we're cleaning surfaces, number 12, remove old stickers and adhesive cleanly. Those faded bumper stickers leave behind sticky glue that feels impossible to remove. Spray, wait a minute, peel gently, and wipe. No scratches, no smearing, and no ruined paint. Time for a detail most people never think about, but it makes your car look cared for instantly. Number 11, clean rusty license plate screws and edges. A few minutes of soaking, scrubbing, and wiping removes years of rust. Hit the screws again before reinstalling to prevent them from seizing forever. Speaking of things that squeak, number 10, silence door hinges the right way. Every squeak is metal grinding metal. Eventually it wears the hinge pins and makes the door sag. Spray, swing the door, wipe the extra. Smooth, silent, protected. But the doors aren't the only thing sticking. Number 9,
keep fuel doors from jamming shut. That tug and pray routine when your fuel door won't open, dirt and moisture are seizing the hinge. A quick spray on the hinge, latch, and spring frees it instantly and keeps it moving for months. And if friction is hurting your fuel door, it's hammering your windows too. Number 8. Let power windows glide smoothly again. Slow windows aren't always dying motors, it's dirt in the tracks. Roll down, spray lightly, move the window, and finish with silicone to keep the rubber soft. Suddenly, your windows move like new. Now for something that affects your visibility more than people realize. Number 7. Restore your wiper blade flexibility. Streaks, chatter, squeaks, that's dry, worn rubber. Clean the blade, wipe a light coat of WD-40 along the edge, then clean the glass. The blade softens, grips better, and lasts longer. Let's fix your interior next. Number 6. Clean and refresh dashboard plastics. Spray onto a cloth, never the dash. Wipe gently and watch fingerprints, grime, and dullness disappear. It leaves a clean satin finish that repels dust instead of attracting it. And now for the messes that make parents lose their minds. Number 5. Remove gum, melted crayon, or sticky residue. Spray the spot, let it break the waxy or sugary bond, lift it gently, blot fabric, done. No discoloration, no spreading, no frustration. Speaking of rubber, number 4. Protect door and trunk weather seals. These rubber strips keep the cabin dry and quiet, but they dry out and crack. Wipe clean, run a WD-40 damp cloth along them, and they regain flexibility. Doors won't freeze shut, and leaks won't creep in. Back under the hood. Number 3. Stop battery corrosion before it kills your electrical system. Disconnect, spray, let it work, scrub, dry, reconnect, and finish with a protective coat. Your starts get stronger and your alternator breathes easier. But few parts face more punishment than the underside of your car. Number 2. Shield your undercarriage from rust damage. Salt, mud, rain, your car's underside takes the worst of it. A protective coat on exposed metal parts blocks corrosion, stops bolts from seizing, and extends the life of suspension components. Reapply a few times a year, especially before winter. Now for the one trick that can save you from a tow in the middle of a flood. Number 1. Emergency flood restart the safe way. If your car spalls in deep water, don't keep cranking. That can destroy the engine. Instead, open the hood, spray the coils, wires, and distributor thoroughly to drive out water, wait a minute, then try again. More often than not, it fires right up. WD-40 can save you thousands. But here's the truth. Some products marketed as car saviors actually destroy your engine from the inside. Others can dramatically improve performance and fuel economy when used correctly.